welcome. So today for lunch we're having tofurkey sandwich wraps, apple slices, raisins with peanut butter balls, oranges, and pretzels with water. So this is going to be pretty good. The first thing I do is I just grab everything that I'm going to need for their lunch so that I can have everything prepped and I don't have to keep going back and forth to the refrigerator. My daughter decided she wanted some celery sticks, so we added those. We have some pretzels, so I'm adding the pretzels now. And I roll the oranges to loosen the skin away from the flesh of the orange. And I do a lot of chopping just to make sure that there's, I try to shoot for no choking. Thank God I haven't had an incident like that yet, but I try to, do my part as a parent to reduce that. So yeah, we peel the oranges and I chop the oranges and other fruits smaller for my 2-year-old than I do for my 3 and my 4-year-old. So I'll chop the oranges into threes, and I'm putting them right onto her plate. And then the older kids, I chop them in halves. Sometimes if I have a little bit of time or after breakfast, before they take their nap or something like that, I'll prep the lunch because, as you can see, I do a lot of chopping and peeling and stuff like that. And it can be kind of time consuming. So to help myself out, I'll prep just to, keep the time down or be more efficient with time because it doesn't stop the time. Okay. So I chop the apples and small for my 2-year-old and into slices for my 3 and 4-year-old. And look at this. I love these in the middle. It's perfect. Did you see that? So I slice the avocado vertically all the way around, and then I slice vertically inside and use the knife to go around the perimeter on the inside, and it'll pop right out. And we love peanut butter balls. I'm actually going to learn how to make peanut butter balls from scratch because these things are kind of costly after a while. So hopefully this week I can figure that part out. We're using tofurkey. Tofurkey is really good. My kids really like it. It's a plant-based deli-style meat. It has a lot of flavor. It packs a lot of flavor inside of it. We just use the regular tofurkey, or the hickory tofurkey, and it's really tasty. And tortillas are the most inexpensive flatbread for me. So we do the tortillas for our wraps. And, I try to save money where I can. We have 4 kids and 2 adults. Food is an expensive thing sometimes. Actually, all the time, it's expensive. So I'm putting a little ranch on there, and then I fold the cheese in half to break it into triangles, just to kind of like even it out. And I just lay it down. And I'm putting 3 slices of the tofurkey in there. Just like that. Do the other one. And I know you're thinking, well, there's 3 children. Why is she doing 2? Well, you'll see. You will see. And we have spinach. Lots of spinach in there. Boo, 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 boo. They love the spinach. Some tomato slices. And then we're going to add the avocado. And just roll it tight as you can. Roll it up. And then I slice it. There you go. And then what I do, I take little slices off of each one so they get that. And then I took 2 slices off of each of theirs, and then I cut those up a little bit for my 2-year-old so she can have some too. And there goes that. Beautiful, isn't it? And I hope this kind of gives you guys some ideas. I know sometimes it's hard to figure out what we're going to feed our kids because they're so picky and what have you, but hopefully this is a good lunch idea for you guys. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and leave some of your ideas in my comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and have a blessed day.